कल हमने आपको क्या पढ़ाया था, ऑप्शनल एम्पलीफायर, द बेसिक्स ऑफ ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर। फिर से डायग्राम बना देते हैं। This is VEE minus this plus VCC. This is 1, this is 2, this is V. It is operational amplifier. ठीक है, ये डायग्राम को हमने बनाया था, स्टडी किया था कि व्हाट इज ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर। बताइए, ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर इज ए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस which is used to perform some mathematical operations and to amplify the weak signal at its output. दूसरी डेफिनेशन क्या बता सकते हैं? ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर is high gain amplifier having multi stages and direct coupling amplifier. आप देखना कि हाई गेन मल्टी स्टेज डायरेक्ट कपल okay, so these three words, high gain, everybody knows. Operational amplifier work as a high gain device if we provide microvolt to its input. At the output we have the 1 volt. 1 microvolt, if we provide 1 microvolt at the input, we have the 1 volt at the output. 1 volt. You know, study we have discussed कि 1 लाख गुना कि जो ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर है ये 1 लाख गुना 1 लाख टाइम्स वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज करता है इसके आउटपुट पर। सो इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से इट एम्पलीफाई द सिग्नल from hertz to megahertz. If we have the few hertz at the input, at the output we have the megahertz signal. So high gain amplifier, multi stages. Operational amplifier has multi stages. आप देख रहे हैं कि जो ब्लॉक हमने ट्रायंगल डायग्राम बनाया है, it has the symbol of the operational amplifier, but actually it has multi stages. कल हमने डिस्कस किया था कि फर्स्ट स्टेज इज इनपुट स्टेज, डिफरेंशियल स्टेज, सेकंड वन इज इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज, थर्ड वन इज वोल्टेज लेवल शिफ्टर स्टेज एंड लास्ट इज आउटपुट स्टेज, राइट? सो ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर हैज मल्टी स्टेजेस. थर्ड वन इज डायरेक्ट कपलिंग. डायरेक्ट कपलिंग मीन्स कि विदाउट coupling element without any bypass coupling capacitor or bypass capacitor, the stages are coupled in the operational amplifier. So it is known as direct coupling. Without any use of capacitor, bypass capacitor, coupling capacitor, these stages are directly coupled. So operational amplifier is high-gain device having multi stages with direct coupling. So in any way you can define, in all way you can define, अगर according to your convenience कि ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर को किस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हो. ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर इज ए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस जो कि मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करती है, फॉलो करती है. सेकंड, ये इनपुट के डिफरेंशियल सिग्नल को, डिफरेंशियल इनपुट को आउटपुट पर एम्पलीफाई करती है. So operational amplifier is not amplify all the signal. It amplify only difference of the input signal at the output. This is another feature. And third one is having multi stages and direct coupling. ये एक discussion था we have studied earlier, and nowadays a very small chip amplifier is obtained, we can manufacture a operation amplifier on a very small chip. So it is very widely used in electronics as well in computer. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से इसके वाइड यूज है, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम में भी इसका यूज किया जाता है. सो मेनी यूज वी हैव एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर. नाउ वी कैन क्लासिफाई operational amplifier into two parts. First is inverting and second one is non-inverting. Okay, so we can classify operational amplifier into two types. One is inverting operational amplifier and second is non-inverting operational amplifier. Check. This is one is indicating inverting terminal, second is indicating non-inverting terminal. This minus plus sign not indicating the sign of minus plus. आप देख रहे हैं ना कि 1 के साथ माइनस है, 2 के साथ प्लस है. These symbols are not associated with the minus plus of the mathematical sign. It indicates the inversion. Minus indicate the phase is changed and plus indicate there is no phase change. So very clear. फिर से सुन लीजिए कि जो minus plus है, it is not this sign. Minus indicating the phase change terminal means at this terminal, if any signal is applied, it is out of phase at the output, and for this terminal, if any signal is applied to this plus terminal, this terminal, there is no change at the output. So very clear, this minus and plus, इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. Minus और plus है, that only indicate the phase change. Minus indicate in what? The change 180 phase in the signal, and plus is no change, no phase change in the signal. So one is known as inverting terminal and second is known as non-inverting terminal. Okay. So now we take one by one. First we take non-inverting terminal. This what is inverting terminal? What is inverting terminal operation amplifier? It is when we apply input signal to its inverting terminal while non-inverting terminal is being grounded. So it is inverting terminal operation amplifier. In inverting terminal operation amplifier, there is a 180 phase change between the input signal and output signal. Okay. While in the case of non-inverting operation amplifier, there is no phase change between input and output signal. Okay. इस तरह से how we can explain what is inverting terminal operation amplifier and non-inverting terminal operation amplifier. Very clear. Whenever signal is applied, that terminal, the device is known as by its nature. If you supplying the input signal to inverting terminal, it becomes inverting operation amplifier. If you supplying the input signal to non-inverting terminal, it becomes non-inverting operation amplifier. Okay. Now, mathematical analysis of the inverting operation amplifier and non-inverting operation amplifier. First we take non-inverting operation amplifier. Now let us sketch the diagram, the circuit diagram for non-inverting operation amplifier. Since it's non-inverting terminal, so source is supplied to this terminal and it is being grounded. R2, this is Vs, and it is Vi. This one, 1, this one, 2. So this is the diagram for non-inverting operational amplifier closed loop. Okay. So one thing, what is difference between non-inverting terminal closed loop and open loop? समझते हो आप लोग कि closed loop और open loop में क्या difference होता है? Can you sketch? Can you make the diagram for non-inverting operational amplifier in open loop? बनाइए. This is the diagram of non-inverting operational amplifier in open loop. And this is the closed loop. This is the difference between operational amplifier with non-inverting terminal having closed loop and open loop. Normally, this feature, this type of non-inverting operation amplifier having very high gain, but practically it is not used for the application part, because in the application we require the stable gain. In open loop there is no controlling on the gain. Gain is very high, so it cannot be used for the application purpose. To make the gain control, to make the use of the gain according to the requirement, we use non-inverting operational amplifier in closed loop. By using these resistances, we can control the gain of the device. Okay. Second thing, ये जो controlling होती है mainly, this is also provided by the feedback, negative feedback, जो कि आप देख रहे हैं कि the part of the output is fed into the input of the device. So this negative feedback provides the controlling on the gain of the operational amplifier. Okay. So now we discuss this. Clear हो जा रहा कि this is the non-inverting terminal, this is inverting terminal. Since we are studying non-inverting operation amplifier, so the signal is being supplied to this non-inverting terminal Vs, and the inverting terminal is virtually grounded. Okay. R1 is input resistance for providing the proper biasing to the input circuit, and R2 is the feedback resistor, and V0 is output. So according to Kirchhoff's law, आप देख रहे हैं कि inputs, this is the direction of current, this is I1, this is I2. आप देख रहे हैं इनपुट एंड आउटपुट रूल्स तैयार हो चुके हैं, लूप तैयार हो चुके हैं. सो अप्लाइंग द किरचॉफ लॉ, बताइए, कैलकुलेट करिए व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ I1 and what is the amount of